Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will remove the top cover on a Canon FTb. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please do, and activate the notifications bell. We will start by removing the rewind knob. Hold the rewind shaft with a screwdriver, and unscrew the rewind knob. Remove the battery compartment cover. If it's too tight, use the back of a pair of tweezers, or a coin. Using a spanner, remove the speed knob screw. And then, lift off the speed knob. Using the same spanner, unscrew the wind lever retaining ring. And then remove the spring washer and the wind lever. Lift the wind coupler and the small washer. Remove the black plastic spacer. By mistake, I removed the shutter button lock. In this camera, you don't need to remove that, to remove the top cover. Then, remove the 4 screws. One at the front, 2 at the back, and 1 at the side of the wind lever. Now, carefully, you can lift the top cover. To reassemble the top cover, follow the same procedure, but in reverse order. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel.